Did you know that March is National Frozen Food Month? Hi, I'm Cece Carmichael, chef and entertaining expert, to let you in on the real food and fresh flavors you can find in your local freezer aisle. We have become a nation of snackers, and today's innovative frozen products have something to meet every desire, from healthy to savory to indulgent. Frozen veggies are always in season, and you can't beat the convenience of using only what you need and putting the rest back in the freezer. Need to satisfy that sweet tooth? There are so many single-serve options that are like homemade without all the hassle. Whether serving a crowd on game day or a hungry kid after school, the freezer aisle is full of quick and easy snacks from around the world that will satisfy every taste. And with March being Frozen Food Month, you're sure to find lots of deals in your grocer's freezer case. So it's the perfect time to stock up on your favorites or try something new. Find more great snack ideas and recipes at easyhomemeals.com.